Good morning, children. I hope you all are safe and fine in your home. So, myself Rashmi ma'am, and today I'll be handling English grammar for you. So, today is the first day, and let us start with the first chapter, that is alphabets. As you all know, alphabets, there are 26 letters in alphabets. So, what are they? Let us revise it once again. So, A, B, C, D, E, F, G, H, I, J, K, L, M, N, O, P, Q, R, S, T, U, V, W, X, Y, and last it is Z. So, there are totally 26 alphabets in English. So, now coming to the first lesson, see here, write the following words in each group in an alphabetical order. See, write the following words in each group in alphabetical order. So, they have given a words here. We should arrange that in a alphabetical order. We have to arrange it in a alphabetical order. So, let us start with the first one. See, first letter, we have to see the first letter. We have to see the first letter and we should arrange in a alphabetical order. See, D, S, E and L. Which comes first? Let me start. A, B, C, D. See here, D is there. So, we have to write D, R, I, N, K. Now, leave this. Then, see, sleep, eat and laugh. In that, we have to arrange in a alphabetical order. See, A, B, C, D, E. Here E is there. So, we have to write it in second line. We have to write it in second line. Next come A, B, C, D, E, F, G, H, I, J, K, L. See, L has come. So, we should write it in a third line. Laugh and last it is sleep. So, at last it is sleep. So, like this only we have to write all this. Right? Like this only we have to write all this. So, let us write this. So, A, see here, A is there and B, here B is there. Next, C is there. D is not there. So, A, B, C, D, E, F is there. And last it is glue. Understood? Have you understood this? No? Now, come to the third one. Here. See, first A, B, C, D, E, F, G, H. H comes first. Next, see, P, K, R, J is there. Which comes next? Let us start. A, B, C, D, E, F, G, H, I, J. J comes here. So, J comes here. Next, left one are Potter, Kavita and Rita. Who will come here? Which name will come here? Let's see. After J, A, B, C, D, E, F, G, H, I, J, K. See, K. L, M, N, O, P. P is there. And at last, R. Understood, students? Did you understand this? Now, write it by yourself and check the answer. I'll write it and write it by yourself in your book and check the answer whether it is correct or wrong. Let me write here. And last one it is finished writing. Let's check the answer now here. See, first one it is lemon. Okay, first see here L, L, next M, next it is N, R and U. Understood this? So after this we can go to the next one, that is match the following, or it is join this divided sentence correctly. So in the next page number 6, join this divided sentence correctly. So let me start now. The letter C comes. Which is the correct answer? Check here. Comes I in alphabetical order. Comes R after B before H. What is the correct answer? The letter C comes before. Is it comes I? No. In alphabetical order? No. Comes R? No. Come after B? Yes. C. The letter C comes after B. Understood? The next one, the letter G. The letter G comes, check it, comes I in alphabetical order, comes R, then before H. Which is the correct answer? The letter G comes before H. Understood, students? Understood this? Next, between H and J. What comes between H and J? Let me start. A, B, C, D, E, F, G, H. What comes next? I. Yes, between H and J, I. Understood? The next one, the letters P, Q, R. The letters P, Q, R. Yes, the letters P, Q, R in alphabetical order. Understood? The next one, just before the letter S, the last one is left, that just before the letter S comes R. Understood? Just before the letter S comes R. Look at the second letter of each word and arrange each group. See, look at the second letter of each word and arrange each group. Okay, let us now, before this we have saw first letter of alphabet, first letter of a word, and we have arranged in a alphabetical order. But now it is, look at the second letter. We have to see the second letter. And then we have to arrange in a alphabetical order. Now first one, let me do this. See, bathroom, bride, bench, bird. See, all the first letters are B itself, or all the first letters of the words are B itself. So we have to see the second letter. So we have to see the second letter of each word, and then we have to arrange in a alphabetical order. See, bathroom, bride, bench, bird. Second letter, see the second letter, A, R, E and I. So which comes first? Bathroom comes first. So 1. Next, R, E, I. See, say A, B, C, D, E. This is second one. Then third one is bird. Because if we say A, B, C, D, after E, I is there. See, A is there, B, C, D, E is there, F, G, H, I is there, J, K, L, M, N, O, P, Q, R. So R is last and this is fourth one. Understood, students? So bathroom, bench, bird and bride. Understood? Now coming to second one. See, all the first letters of the word are G. Now coming to the second letter. We have to see the second letter. See, Y, R, I, L, U. Okay. See, what will come here? Let us say A, B, C, D, E, F, G, H, I. Okay, what will come? Again, shall I repeat? A, B, C, D, E, F, G, H, I, J, K, L, M, N, O, P, Q, R, S, T, U. So this is fourth and this is last. Understood, students? Did you understand this? Now coming to third one. See, first letter is H. Everywhere first letter is H. So we can see the second letter now. See, second letter here U, I, E, A, O. So first is this. Then let me start. A, B, C, D, E, F, G, H, I, J, K, L, M, N, O, and last one it is humor. Understood? The last one is humor. Okay. Next, fourth one, drawing, downstairs, disappear, dusty, and dentist. See the second letter of these words. Drawing are O, I, U and E. So which letter come first? Which word comes first? It is dentist. Okay, because E is there. Next, see, A, B, C, D, E, F, G, H, I, J, K, L, M, N, O, P, Q, R. So this is fourth one and this is last one. Understood? See, dentist, downstairs, disappear, then drawing, at last it is dusty. Understood? At last it is dusty. Now coming to the last one, all start with A itself. All the letters, all the words of the this start with A itself. So what is the first one here? A, B, C, accident. Next, start. A, B, C, D, E, F, G, H, I, J, K, L, M, N, O, P, apartment, and last it is author. At last it is author. Understood, students? Understood this one? Arranging in alphabetical order with the first letter and arranging in alphabetical order with the help of second letter. Understood? Now see, and this will be your homework. D. Look at the list, page number 6. Look at the list of things you have been given to buy. Arrange each group of words in alphabetical order and have fun. Understood? This will be your homework. Write it by yourself, and if you don't understand, take the help of your parents. Understood? Next, see. Next it is, look at these words. Look at these words, page number 7. Look at these words. You will notice that the first two letters are same. See, B-U, 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 B-U. Okay. Now, look at the third letter and arrange each group of words alphabetically. So far you have done arranged with the first letter, arranged with the second letter, and now it is arranging with the third letter. Understood? Okay. Let me start this. See. So we have to see the third letter, R, S, I, T, N. Okay. Now start. A, B, C, D, E, F, G, H, I, J, K, L, M, N, O, P, Q, R, S, and last it is T. Understood, students? Did you understand how to do with the third letter, how to arrange with the third letter? The next one we can do here. See, CH, 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 CH. So let us start. Here U, O, A, R and I is there. First it is chart. Next A, B, C, D, E, F, G, H, I, J, K, L, M, N, O, P, Q, R, S, T, U. Understood? Did you understand? Do this by your own and check the answer whether it is correct or wrong. Okay, I'll do this. Just check your answer. En, 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 En. So, do by your own now. See, 3, 4, 1, 5, 2. 3, 4, 1, 5, 2. Next, here 1, 5, 2, 1, 4, 3. Okay, 5, 2, 1, 4, 3. Then it is last one. See, MI, 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 MI and MI. See which is the first letter here? D. Midnight. Sorry. Understood? Did you understand how to arrange with the help of first letter, with the help of second letter and with the help of third letter in the alphabetical order? Okay, fine. And the last one, see, in page number 7, in the page number 7, fun activity is there. Fun activity is there. Here, find 10 things in this picture and circle them. Any 10 things you have to find out and you should circle them. Which you like, you can circle them. Now put them in a alphabetical order. Now put them in a alphabetical order. Yes, any 10 things you have to circle and you should write in a alphabetical order. Just I'll give an example. Here bread, table, book, everything are there. So if you circle bread, book, everything, so first books will come, then bread will come, so on. So do this also and let's see. Okay, it will be having fun with doing arranging the in a alphabetical order. Okay, thank you students. Be happy, be safe. Thank you.